Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I made these Easter baskets and the tulip bouquets. I'm gonna start with the tulips. I'm using icing at 10-second consistency and I'm going to use a different color for each flower. Another way to do the tulip would be to pipe a teardrop shape of each color, let it crash for about 30 minutes, and then add the side petals. Let it dry for about an hour, and then you can add the outline. Repeat for each color and let it dry for about 30 minutes. To add the leaves and the stem, I'm using 15 to 20 second consistency icing. It's a little bit thicker, but it still flows. Let them dry for about an hour and then the cookies will be ready. For the Easter basket, I am using a round cookie and I'm gonna use this template as my guide. So I have drawn on the cookie a guide to know where the basket will end and where the eggs would be. And now I'm using 10-second consistency icing to do each egg. Let each color crash for about 20 minutes before adding the next one. Let this dry for about 1 hour. For the basket, I am using very stiff brown icing. I first brushed a very thin layer and then I started piping the pattern using tip number 1. Now I'm going to use tip number 5 to make the border and the handle of the basket. Back to tip number 1 to finish the edges of the basket and then switch to tip number 3 to do the bottom. Let it dry for about 20 minutes. Last, I'm going to add the grass using the same icing that I use for the tulips. This is at about 20-second consistency. I let this dry for about an hour and then using edible marker I added the final details to the eggs. And here's the finished product. What do you think? Last, I wanted to share these scenes I created using some leftover chocolate bunnies and some sprinkles. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please check out these other designs that I made. I'll leave the links below. I wish you a happy Easter and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!